hearts like beasts running wild. They foam at the mouth, they let a howl loud when they smell my inner child. I'm gonna run until I drop, but I'm not running away. Hey, I'm gonna run these wolves into the ground. I'll turn them into poodles one day. Running the wolf down underneath the moonlit sky. Running the wolf down till the very day I die. I've had tendencies to panic and freeze, to lay down and take it easy. Next thing I know, I'm surrounded by beasts, licking the chops at the next feast. I'm still alive, I'm civilized, I'm not barely lost. I'm gonna bury these wolves so deep, no matter what the cost. Running the wolf down underneath the moonlit sky. Running the wolf down till the very day I die. Running the wolf down through shopping malls, city halls, busy streets and bedroom sheets and corridors, grocery stores, top bars and backyards, public schools, swimming pools, steel rails and good shells, through the woods, through my